This cannon automatically targets and extinguishes fires once it detects them. It delivers 1.32 gallons of water per second with a throw length of 98 feet. To protect large facilities like warehouses, factories, parking lots, and stadiums. In the event of a fire, the system's UV sensor detects the UV radiation emitted. It sends alarm signals and activates the cannon for fire suppression. The infrared sensor works horizontally and vertically to position the cannon. The entire detection and preparation process can be completed in 60 seconds, allowing the system to alert and control a fire at an early stage. Operators can also control the cannon manually. There are also larger models, developed for more powerful fire suppression. They can deliver up to 15.8 gallons of water per second, with a throw length of up to 230 feet. The system will automatically reset after extinguishing a fire.